Hey guys, in this very short video, I'm going to show you how you can measure temperature by using DS18B20 temperature sensor. It communicates over one-way interface and can measure temperatures from minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of plus and minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. Let's get started. Wiring is very simple. Red wire is 5 volts, black is ground, yellow is the data which you can connect on any digital pin on the Arduino. I'm going to connect on pin 12. We do need a 4.7K resistor between 5 volts and the data pin, and that's it for the wiring. Now we need to download two libraries for it to work. The first library is the one-wire library and the second is the Dallas temperature library. Make sure to add these two libraries in your IDE. Link is in the description. Let's open a simple sketch inside Dallas temperature and change one wire bus from 2 to 12 because we have connected our sensor on that pin. Now hit upload and open up the serial monitor and we can see the temperature reading. Awesome! Now that's all Celsius. How about Fahrenheit? I wrote a simple code that displays both temperature reading. Just upload and there we go. That's about it for this video. Consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this one. If you learn anything from this video, leave me a like, and if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. Till then, stay safe and I will see you guys in the next video.